So if you want to start and you say like, yeah, where do I even start? My life is just such a big mess. Well, we can't change that mess sometimes. Sometimes it's just time and space needs to play it out. So we start with, okay, let's look for one positive thing at the end of the day, three at the end of the day. It's not as easy as it sounds. Most people say, I'm grateful for my health, I'm grateful for this. You have to be specific. When we're negative, we are so specific. I don't like the way that person chooses food and it just drives me crazy. And every time you come, we're so specific with negative. But with positive, it's like, oh yeah, it was a good day. But you want to be, what specific was good about the day? What specifically did you appreciate about John bringing you donuts or coffee because he thought of you? So the more specific you can get with the things that you do have in your life right here, right now that are happening, the more you'll start to be able to change the reality of how you look at the negative things in your life. And consequently, you will feel better over time. And it's not instant, but it happens. But if you can do this exercise 7 days in a row, if you forget it, you've got to start from over. It takes 8 days. And they found that 7 days. And on the 8th day, they found that they can check. And in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, you're still like on that. You still have shifted that neuron. So that's how we start.